Tom hopes that he can do that. Tom hopes that he can do that. Tom has told me he'll do that. Tom has told me he'll do that. Tom has to do that more often. Tom has to do that more often. Tom has said that he won't do that. Tom has said that he won't do that. Tom has said that he can't do that. Tom has said that he can't do that. Tom has now agreed to do that. Tom has now agreed to do that. Tom has agreed not to do that. Tom has agreed not to do that. Tom has advised me to do that. Tom has advised me to do that. Tom got the chance to do that. Tom got the chance to do that. Tom didn't want me to do that. Tom didn't want me to do that. Tom could do that if he tried. Tom could do that if he tried. Tom can do that with one hand. Tom can do that with one hand. Tom asked if he could do that. Tom asked if he could do that. Tom and I don't often do that. Tom and I don't often do that. Tom agreed to help us do that. Tom agreed to help us do that. Who told Tom he could do that? Who told Tom he could do that? I'm sure that Tom can do that. I'm sure that Tom can do that. I told you Tom didn't do that. I told you Tom didn't do that. I realized Tom had to do that. I realized Tom had to do that. I hear that Tom won't do that. I hear that Tom won't do that. Does Tom want to do that too? Does Tom want to do that too? Does Tom think he can do that? Does Tom think he can do that? Did Tom say when he'd do that? Did Tom say when he'd do that? Did Tom say he didn't do that? Did Tom say he didn't do that? Both Tom and I didn't do that. Both Tom and I didn't do that. Tom told me he'd do that too. Tom told me he'd do that too. Tom told me he'd do that soon. Tom told me he'd do that soon. Tom told me he'd also do that. Tom told me he'd also do that. Tom told me he should do that. Tom told me he should do that. Tom said he'll try to do that. Tom said he'll try to do that. Tom didn't do that on his own. Tom didn't do that on his own. Tom didn't do that in a hurry. Tom didn't do that in a hurry. Tom bet me I couldn't do that. Tom bet me I couldn't do that. Tom will learn how to do that. Tom will learn how to do that. Tom is going to do that later. Tom is going to do that later. Tom is going to do that alone. Tom is going to do that alone. Tom wants to help you do that. Tom wants to help you do that. I didn't do that, but Tom did. I didn't do that, but Tom did. Tom was warned not to do that. Tom was warned not to do that. I bet Tom couldn't do that. I bet Tom couldn't do that. Tom will be afraid to do that. Tom will be afraid to do that. Maybe Tom will let us do that. Maybe Tom will let us do that. We didn't allow Tom to do that. We didn't allow Tom to do that. Tom says he won't ever do that. Tom says he won't ever do that. Tom is already able to do that. Tom is already able to do that. Tom didn't allow us to do that. Tom didn't allow us to do that. Tom has never tried to do that. Tom has never tried to do that. Tom will do that today as well. Tom will do that today as well. Tom is helping me do that too. Tom is helping me do that too. Tom is now learning to do that. Tom is now learning to do that.